Intellectual capital is my next group. We'll cut through this pretty quickly. A lot of you may think, I don't own any intellectual property. You know, I don't have a patent. Maybe I have a name, I haven't registered it. But the most important intellectual property in any one of our companies is the systems and processes. And that you've documented those, that your employees know how to use them, that when you step away from the business, they have the cookbook, that they can run it. And that you then take steps to protect that. And legally, what you do to protect that is things like non-disclosure agreements. We get pushbacks from clients, but they are enforceable. You have to do things to actually make sure that the documentation is not readily available outside of the company, but you can do that. Beyond that, the registered intellectual property of trademarks and copyrights for software, or patents for software, and then patents are all things that in the right company, yes, those are places you can build value. If you're going to be using independent contractors, I want to make sure I got this concept in there, at all in your company. A lot of people do, particularly in marketing. Be aware of something called work for hire, that an independent contractor, when they produce something of value for your company like that, they may actually own it and license it to you. So you want to make sure that you actually get the ownership of that, so that when you go to sell, the buyer doesn't come and say, great, this is this nice software you developed for your company. I see it was developed by an independent contractor. Where's the work for hire agreement? And you're not able to produce it. Now you've got a problem where you have to go and buy that software from that developer.